This might be one of the most magical places to visit in Barcelona during Christmas season. It's a seasonal light experience set inside a historical hospital complex, where architecture and lights come together after dark. Every winter, these grounds transform into a Christmas garden full of lights, colors, and immersive installations that surround you as you walk. It's calm, family-friendly, and perfect if you want to slow down and really feel the Christmas atmosphere in Barcelona. We visited it this December, and for a moment it felt like stepping into a Christmas fairy tale. This is Llums de Sant Pau, at the historic Sant Pau complex in Barcelona. Is this the kind of thing you love doing at Christmas? Tell me in the comments.